day. You know I try, but I
down. All right, hello world. Yeah, I know that I let you down. All right, YouTube, what is going on here? How are we doing, man? My Solana long is absolutely popping off right now. Sorry. That's what's up, baby. That's what's up, baby. All right, we're done with that. That was fun, man. That was fun. I should start singing on streams again. What's up, Ava? Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. All right, let's do this. Let's chill out. Let's vibe out. What is going on? Who's in here? Who's not in here? We got how many people in here? 26 people in here. Damn! Listen, my friends. Hello. Welcome to the show. I am in a Bitcoin long. Yes, I am. I'm long on Biddy. I'm long on Biddy. I'm long on Ethereum. Sorry, not Ethereum. I'm long on, these are my positions right now. That's it. I was long on Bitcoin. I took some out. I added more in before this wick happened. Now that I'm streaming, I'm probably gonna fumble this. So whatever. But let's head on over very quickly to the Nexus, because these positions were not taken very long ago, guys. This was taken like very not long ago. Right here. Right here, 4:18 p.m. So 3 hours ago, I tried a BTC and Solana long because the SFP on USDT, which we'll go over here in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't that long ago. And then here was the re-entry. So this was the re-entry on Bitcoin. Right here. This position right here was the re-entry, and you know, I let them know that as well. Your re-entry long is here if it's destined to be a long. I'm not too sure because it was pre-Asia open, pre-weekly open. Obviously we hit that level. Sol is mooning. We've been long on Sol. I posted on Twitter that I'm long on Sol. I made a YouTube video yesterday. Today I posted a YouTube video about how I entered my Solana long. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish on I'm pretty bullish right now, to be honest with you. You took the 1 hour Sol CRT. Nice, beautiful. So yes, I'm long BTC, I'm long Sol, and then I last minute, to be honest, just like entered a Dogecoin long. Like when we were up here, I just saw this. As soon as I saw this here, why can't I zoom in? As soon as I saw this, the down, the up, the down, the up, I just marketed in, and I had my, well, I don't have a stop, but anyway, that's my current situation. All right, Brian says, "Sup, Gio? Awesome to watch my growth. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. I've come a long way, man. I've come a long way. I've come a very long way. I appreciate it, though. Do I trade anything else other than BTC and ETH? See, here's the thing. I do. Okay, I do, and I trade a lot of. I trade a lot. Okay, like I run the Nexus, right? So I trade a lot of things in the Nexus. Obviously, I need to try to like provide as much as I can for them. So for that, like with that said, okay, here's the thing. Whenever I trade everything, I lose everything. Okay, whenever I trade everything, I lose everything. And so because of that, I tried in the last like month or so, I only did BTC and ETH, and I actually did very well only trading BTC and ETH, because really, like, you don't need anything else. You really don't. You don't need to trade 10 different things, 100 different things. You really don't, in my opinion. So yes, but this time I just like, I knew that Sol was in a long zone. Like, I made a video about this, by the way. Go watch my video that I posted on YouTube. I made a video about how I think Bitcoin's going to break up from this range 3 days ago. And then I posted a video this morning about this long trade that I took. But ultimately, like, I do my higher time frame analysis. Okay. And then when price gets into my higher time frame analysis, like Solana did, then I will scalp Solana. So this was a long that we had yesterday. This was a long that we had today. Both winners, both high risk to reward trades. I mean, this is currently at a 20 risk to reward. Yesterday, we had like a 27 risk to reward. So the answer to your question is yes, I do primarily just trade BTC and ETH. But when things are in my high probability zones and I have to provide the Nexus with some trades, I will look into alts. But usually when I look at all the alts, I lose everything, which, you know, you don't really obviously want to be doing. But these could be swing trades, and I made YouTube videos about them. Like, Solana could absolutely be a swing trade. I'm targeting at least $150, to be honest with you. Minimum $150 is what I'm targeting, so we'll have to wait and see. Hey, dude, can I please give you some Sol? You're 12 and you're just starting and you want to try to do what I do. Bro, if you only have $3, open up trades that are like 50 cents and practice what I do. How about this? I'll make you a deal. Practice what I do on a demo account. Open up a ticket in the Discord. Do a demo account and do a demo account for like a week. And if you do well on the demo account, I'll give you like, how much? You have $3? I'll give you $100. I'll give you $100. I think that's super fair. What's up, Gio? Sorry, I missed your message, broski. You're in Rome with the missus, so been a little occupied. All good, brother. Have a wonderful time in Rome with the missus. I'll give you $100. If you have $3 to your name and you're 12 or whatever, how much do you need to make? I don't know. Keep me updated on your journey and I'll kind of decide. We'll figure it out. We'll see. Okay, hold on. Let me just update the Nexus here real quick. How are you guys doing? Do I still use order blocks? I only use order blocks, pretty much. Yeah, man. I absolutely still use order blocks. Absolutely, I do. Okay, I don't really care about this Dogecoin position. It was honestly just for fun. So we'll take out 300 and we'll hold the rest. You know I don't. Can we both say the words and forget this? Is it too late now to say happy holidays? Merry Christmas. Merry Litmus. Do we want a round trip city or do we want to hold it? Is the question. K Pizzy, what's up? How you doing? How you guys doing? How was your everybody in the chat? How was your holidays, man? How were things for you? Nah, bro, fuck that. I am so not round tripping. Can we get the money song? Yeah, let me just 1 second. All right, y'all want the money song? We haven't listened to the money song in forever. I need to find it. Who remembers the money song? Holy days. All right, listen. Money song. Oh my days. Listen, if you remember the money song, fire emojis in the chat. This is like OG. We used to play this a hot ass minute ago. So if y'all remember the money song, show me the money bags. Money bags in the chat. Money bags in the chat.
Money. 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 Money.
I know Dice knows. For sure Dice knows.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Okay.
Let's
Dude, you remember when I used to stream every day and every morning I used to like run real quick? Okay, let me answer since I used to take bathroom breaks. Man, listen, morning shifts equals morning shits. That's all I gotta say. And nobody believed me that I was gone for like 2 minutes max. You don't have a phone number to verify? I can't help you though, bro. I'm sorry. We need the phone numbers to stop the bots. Manuel bought yourself a GTR. Nice, man. That's dope. I've driven the GTR a couple times in my day. They're sick. They are super sick. All right. Boo break every stream. Do I rug pull? I don't rug. I've never done that. But what I do want to do is create a meme coin called rug and tell everybody that I'm going to rug it. People will still buy in, but I don't think it's a crime if I like tell people that I'm going to do it. All right, Zwift dude says Geo has Bitcoin bottomed. Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. I've been saying that I think we are going to break up, not break down from this range. Okay, from this higher time frame range. I've been longing, guys. I haven't shorted in like way too long, to be honest. I miss shorting. But I've been saying that I think we're going to break up from this range, not break down. I made an entire YouTube video on it, so make sure you go watch that YouTube video. I'm not going to go over the entire thing now because it was a 24-minute long YouTube video. But the long story short of it is we have bullish open interest in this zone. Okay. And primarily, like, I'm not even an indicator kind of guy these days anymore. But this is my opinion. Like, at the end of the day, the long story short is your structure is what? It's up, it's down, it's up, and it's straight down. We haven't had the lower high for the lower low. I do think we are going to take out this low. I do think we are going to take out 74K. But I don't think that it's just going to continue going down. And the reason why is because all these people that have been shorting for the last 2-3 months haven't been punished. Okay. The last time that liquidity was taken, buy side liquidity was taken, was 116K. Okay. In the end of October. Ever since then, everybody that's been shorting has been getting away with shorts. And I don't think that if we're destined to just keep going down significantly lower, that those people are not going to be tested, is the long story short of it. Same reason why I didn't think that, like, here we were going to just continue up, and we did just continue up, you know, minus sweeping this low. Fine. But, like, same reason as that, it's just the opposite now. You know, you don't really think, like, you don't expect that to happen. Okay, I can't listen to this song because this song is going to give me copyright. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Yeah, man, I missed being live. It's fun. Do I think we'll hit 90K? Man, I think we're going to hit 96K. And I think if we don't stop at 96, 97, 98, then I think that we could even go to like 106. So we'll see. We will see. I'm very much so, like, I think we're going up, obviously, which is why I'm longing. But I need to focus on my trades. Every time I'm live, I don't focus on my trades. So I need to focus on the trades because I'm not round tripping 15K. Fuck that. Don't let me down. Don't let me. If I can give you 0.01 soul, 0.01 soul, and you could turn it into 1 soul, you'll buy the course. How much is 0.01 soul? Bro, 0.01 soul is literally $1. I need a miracle. Hurry up now. I need a miracle. Should we do some giveaways today? I'm live. Come say hey. I need ya, I need ya, I need ya right now. I need you right now. But don't let me down. Meme coin trader in the house doesn't know what risk management is. Yeah, I guess he is a meme coin trader. If you want 0.01 BT or 0.01 soul. I'm pretty sure that's like $1, right? How much is 1 soul right now? 127? Yeah, that's literally $1, bro. I'll give you $10. How about this? I'll give you $10 and you could turn it into 1 soul. And then you could keep it. Like, I'll just give you $10. It's fine. Okay. We have 69 people in here. Let's see if we can get into some trades. Let's see if we can get into some trades. I don't really want to trade Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Bitcoin kind of sucks donkeys. Let's see if we can get into a Zcash trade. I'm down for a Zcash trade. We're actually coming into my short zone on Zcash. Interesting. Let's see where we could maybe take that to. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. No accumulation. That's an accumulation. That is an accumulation. Accumulation. No accumulation here. And then here. So this short would probably be like this. Actually, it could come back down to here, but we shall see. No, run that back. Run that back. Run that back. Yo, 180 BPMs. Don't let me down. Ava, if you were around for my old streams, like we used to have so much fun in here. It was so high energy and just me jumping up and down and singing and trading and whatever. I need you right now. It was so good. My streams were so good. Quant looking good. Blocky, what's up, bro? Are you still making videos and shit? Let me check your channel. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Yo, we're gonna do this like a TBT stream. We're gonna do all the songs that we did. Yo, our streams were so fun, man. I used to run, man. I was on the treadmill. Like, shit. What changed? I'll tell you what changed. I'll literally tell you what changed. Here's what changed. What changed is that I got a new MacBook, and then I lost my vocal chain on my MacBook. Okay? I lost my vocal chain on my MacBook, and then I like didn't know how to get it back, and it took me forever to get it back. And like now I have not my same vocal chain, but like I have, you know, I guess a vocal chain. So if I mute my mic, this is how it would always sound, right? I don't have like, this is not my normal thing though. And I used to like obviously want to sing and shit all the time, but I didn't have my vocal chain. So I stopped streaming. When I switched my MacBook. I stopped streaming because I couldn't get my vocal chain, and I used to sing it. I used to sing with everybody.
And you leave him, you're loyal to me, but this time
we used to sing this shit all the time. Okay, let me stand up. We're doing a throwback stream, baby. Let's go.
And he makes you feel like you should, and all your friends say he's the one. His love for you.
Daz, what's up, brother? How you doing, man?
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? But does he know your heart? Does he know feelings that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies. You should be with him.
If this SFPs, I'm taking profit.
You should stay with him, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And
Alright, we're gonna hit this one. We're gonna try to anyway. I can't really hear myself well, but fuck it, whatever.
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly
Man, we're in like 2024 right now. 2023. Wait, is the mic like a good volume relative to the audio? I'm telling you, man, like once I turned off, I changed my like I lost my vocal chain. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Does he know the pictures? All right, tell me your idea. All right, let's do another one. It's too low, right? All right, check. But hold on a minute, 1 second, guys. Oh my days. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reasons that you cry? Tell me, does he know where? All right, we should be good now. It should be up there. You cry. Tell me, does he know where your heart lies? All right. What are we doing right now? Is it better now? Is it better? Is it better? So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. Are we good? Yeah, you missed it. Dude, let's do a throwback stream, man. All right, y'all give me the request and we'll do it. Let's get some claps, baby. Oh, shit. We were victims of the night. Kryptonite. Let's go. Keep it going. Hit the likes. Get the fire emoji. Get the tree emojis in the chat. Tell me what y'all want. And do. I don't know how it happened. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. I had, by the way, absolutely zero plan to come and do this here today, but we're doing a throwback stream, man. Let's do a throwback stream. Let's go. She took my arm. I don't know where it happened. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. Shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, my streams have been so boring lately. No singing, no dancing, only boring. Every time I'm doing shit live, like when I'm DJing, I do this. Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh,
So don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh.
Yo, low-key, Creep is actually a banger, but I don't know it. I don't actually know it like that. If I knew it like that, then yeah, I would do it. But I don't actually know it like that. If you ever leave me, baby. I should have TP'd here. Whoops. Oops. 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 All right, let's take some out. Should we take some out? So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh. Shut up and dance with me. Ava, you took profit? Okay, I'm a TP. If she's taking P, I'm taking P. Because, like, man, yeah, we're not. I ain't round tripping again, man. F that. All right, hold on. Let me ask you guys, because this, like, I had so much engagement, so many views and shit when I was doing this, and I'll still trade. Like, I'll still, if you guys want me to check charts and shit, we'll still do that. But like, I'm telling you, I stopped streaming as a whole because I got a new MacBook and I didn't have my vocal chain. I still don't have it. This is not my vocal chain, but I think it sounds not that bad. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. All right, let's end this gay poll and let's do a new one. And let's ask you guys, do we like singing in the streams? Yes, no, sometimes. / should we bring it back? Don't you forget about me. Bam. Now we'll know. Now we will know. Okay, I'm going to take profit off screen. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. Wait, did you take profit on just BTC or on just Solana? Or on both? Oh my days. I should have took profit on the fucking... Who is calling me? Who is this? Nora. Who are you, Nora? So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. Yeah. Jabs is coming on soon. He's just like busy and shit. Yeah, bro, your voice is great and your energy is far more positive when you are singing. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ilya Tapuria. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding. All right, well, I mean, you guys can request whatever you want. She said, shut up and dance with me. You'll make 50 soul. Okay, just drop me a soul address, bro. I'll send you $10 right now. Can he hack me if I send him money? I don't know. I just work here. Tonight, I don't know how it happened. She said, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. Where did you send it? Did you send it in the Discord? It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights getting streets and there's so much here. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you. He is weird. You did it in the chat. Yeah, I don't see it. Maybe the chat filters it out, broski. I think you're SOL, bro. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets and there's so much here. I should be playing in the winter snow, but all right, I didn't even take profit yet because I get distracted. I'm probably going to regret it, but whatever. With you, shawty with you. Probably going to regret it. Shawty with you. Under the mistletoe. Hey, lie. Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't really know. Okay. Nothing to do on Bitcoin. I don't really like this reaction on Sol, to be honest. But I do think that Sol can keep going big time here. Like big time. How long did I hold the BTC long? I got in the BTC long like not that long ago. I posted it in the Nexus here, like I said, not that long ago. Down here on the lows. I actually got in lower. I got in right here and then I added. Yeah. But I let the Nexus know. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lots gated streets and there's so much here. With you, shawty with you. Singing, bro, it's not working. Okay. Let's do another song. What's a song that people hate? What is a song that people hate? Most hated song. Let's do that. Let's sing the most hated song just for our boy. Oh, wait, his name is Joe, right? Say bye bye, Cotton Eye Joe. Get a bit of Cotton Eye Joe. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Cause you're so smooth. Baby Shark is actually a banger. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Babe. Oh. Okay, now we're actually gonna TP. Cause we're gonna be good. We're gonna actually TP. Let's take out. Holy smokes, Solana's getting fucking smoked right now. All right, we're gonna TP. We're gonna be good. We're going to be good. We should have TP'd when we should have TP'd. But we didn't TP when we should have TP'd. Now we're going to TP because we should be TPing. And we'll just get in again. All right, let's take profit there. Let's take profit here. 0.97. 23. I like having even numbers. Like I don't like now I'm in 5 BTC. I don't like being in like 5.13 for whatever. I don't like that. It's ugly. Cause you're so smooth. It's just like the ocean. This song gonna get stuck inside your head. Can I walk us through the reason I took this trade? Yeah, I can. Absolutely, I can. Absolutely, I can. Say bye bye, honey. I know. I just wanna get in and good now. I should have took profit, man. Oh my days. I should have just closed the whole thing. Every time I'm on stream, I get distracted. All right, let me go over why I took this trade. Okay, let's turn off the echo for a second. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lots in the streets and there's so much here. I should be playing in the winter snow.
But I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you.
All right. Okay. That's off for a moment, okay? Momentarily. Let's put on something in the background so it's not like weird. I hate silence to my core. I absolutely hate silence. Let's listen to Interstellar Peaceful. Sure. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Here's why I took this trade. Which one do you want to know? The Solana one or the Bitcoin one? Let me know. Is WP still doing Stream the Nexus? No. I'm back. Well, I mean, he can. He definitely can. He definitely can. Like, what I mean by he can, I mean, he's welcome to. Okay, he's welcome to. But now that I'm back, like he was covering, you know, now that I'm back, he doesn't, like he was doing me a favor. He doesn't need to do that anymore, but he's welcome to if he wants to. Hopefully we can get into another trade. I would like to take a new trade. That would be the best case scenario, to be honest with you. Okay. Let's see what you guys are saying. All right. Let's go over the... do I want to do Bitcoin or do I want to go over Solana? Let's go over this. I've been trading Solana way more than I've been trading Bitcoin, to be honest. So let's go over, let's do the Solana one. Okay. So here's the long story short, okay? Wait, first of all, let me just make sure that my positions are good. Let me just make sure my stops are in place. Because no, we're not doing that. Every single time I come on stream, literally every single time I come on stream, I fumble the bag. Every single time I either miss a trade or I mess up my trade because I get distracted and like, you know what? Respects. I love you guys. I'm doing what I need to do. Like, I'm here. This is my purpose, to be in front of you all. Wow, this is getting emotional right now with Interstellar in the background. I can give you guys a motivational speech. All right. Listen, guys. It's going to be okay. All right. Anyways, I've been trading Solana. Okay, I've been trading Solana. By the way, I'm standing right now. I've been trading Solana. And so here's how I took the trade, okay? So I made a video, and I encourage you guys later. You don't have to go now, but I encourage you guys to go watch the video that I posted today because I went over my analysis on Solana. Why am I even looking for longs in the first place, okay? Right? Long story short, we're in a daily order block. We're in a place of, like, you know, very importance, of the utmost importance. Okay, and we have what appears to be some form of accumulation happening here. At first, I thought it was going to be a 1, a 2, and a 3. That didn't play out, so it could be a 1, a 2, and a 3. And I covered that in the video, so go and watch that video, okay? That being said, we have some kind of accumulation. Whether that's a 1, that's a 2, and this is a 3, or we're going to come back down for a 3, I don't know. But we're in a daily demand zone, and we're looking for structure to flip bullish. Structure flips bullish on this red line, which I do think we are going to hit, which is obviously what we were targeting, okay? What happened? So I'm already like prioritizing longs. I'm in my zone. This is the way that I trade. On my higher time frame, mid time frame, I'm in a zone. I'm prioritizing to like that zone to hold, okay? And I'm looking for reasons for that to hold. For me, I need to see some form of structure flip coming out of that zone to confirm that zone. So we're counter trend trading right now because we haven't hit that level yet. Your structure is simply down, up, down, up. Fine, whatever, right? We need this red line to go, which is obviously what we've been talking about. That being said, how did I get into this trade specifically, and how did I get into the trade yesterday? And I covered this in today's video. So again, after this stream, go watch it. Go hit the like button and, you know, whatever, over there. But long story short, what ended up happening here is we came down. We have yet another accumulation model, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. But your structure coming out of that was what? It was down, it was up, and it was break. So yesterday when I longed, I was looking along from this zone because this was my demand zone. Okay. Again, I covered this in the video. But this was my demand zone. At this point, Bitcoin, so look at the date here. It was this Friday, December the 26th. Bitcoin at the same time swept its low. It was right here. Friday, December 26th. Right here. Bitcoin swept this low. Okay, at the same time, and Ethereum did not sweep its low. So we have an SMT between Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is what I want to see. You could have longed either one. Okay, so then I came to, so I knew that I wanted to long in my zone. It wicked out my zone ever so slightly, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. But it wicked out my zone. But again, I had the confluence between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And actually, today I've been trading Solana kind of all day, and I realized that Solana, okay, I realized that I got to make an SMT video. I'll make an SMT video for you guys, but I realized that Solana, like ETH is the powerful SMT. ETH is the powerful SMT. Anyways, I'll make a video. Anyway, so basically, what's it called? Yeah, so I longed here yesterday, okay? I longed here yesterday, and I was targeting this high. We came up and we hit the high perfectly, and then we didn't actually, like, we hit the high ever so slightly, but it wasn't, like, enough, okay? It wasn't enough. And so after we hit this level, and then we did all this bullshit, and then we came back down, I'm like, yeah, there's no way they're going to leave all that intact, especially because we're in a higher time frame demand zone. So I was looking for continuation. What is my structure? From the low to the high here, it's what? It's low. We're going to just skip the shit. It's high, it's low, it's high. So I know that this low shouldn't go. I know that I'm looking for higher low, higher high. And I know that this in itself is an accumulation already. Okay, that's already an accumulation. So I know that somewhere down here, I'm looking along. I don't think this low needs to go. Or I didn't think that low needed to go by any stretch of any imagination. So what I did was I had a zone down here ready to go. I believe it was a 15-minute block, if I'm not mistaken. 15-minute block, 30-minute block, 1 hour block, something like that. 2 hour maybe. Right here, yeah. I had a 2 hour block that had inducement on it. Whoever was asking me if I use order blocks. Yes, I still use order blocks. Had inducement on it on the low. We came into that level perfectly. I'm looking for a market structure flip. I actually, so this is an accumulation in itself right here. But I actually longed prematurely. I let the Nexus know. Let me show you guys right here. I let the Nexus know earlier today that I longed. Right here. I longed early. So we had broken this structure up. Okay. We had down, up, and break. And then we had a 1, 2, 3 tap model 1 accumulation. I longed right here, and then I got stopped out. So look, I longed. I told everybody Sol attempted to push out, whatever, de-risking, whatever. And then I mitigated my risk. I knew that I was going to get stopped out. So instead of losing 600, I only lost 200. And then right here, funny enough, on the exact low I posted, that I was looking to, like, if we took the low, we didn't actually end up taking that low. Okay, we never ended up taking the low, but we came back up and we broke up. And as soon as that happened, I just went in. I literally just went in. I'm like, I knew I was looking along anyways. It sucks that they stopped me out, but it is what it is. I went back in and now, you know, here we are. So I wasn't like too worried about it, to be honest with you. Like, I don't really care to, you know, I'm not trying to get to the dollar or whatever. I knew my zone. I knew my area. I knew I was looking along. And then here's the funny thing is, remember I said ETH is actually the good SMT from what I've come to notice lately. And we have an SMT here. So this is what gave me confidence too. Solana has a lower low. ETH has a higher low. Beautiful. And then just for the cherry on top, I came to Bitcoin and I saw that Bitcoin and Ethereum have an SMT as well. Right here. As soon as I saw that, I said, fuck it. And I went in. And there we go. So it sucks because I was there and I almost gave this one to the Nexus. Like, we almost had it. They stopped us out. We took a loss. But then, like, you know, that is what it is, you know. And all day today, I was actually all weekend, you know, price has been very slow and very boring, right? Price has been very, like, it just hasn't been moving. It's not very volatile. And so all weekend, you know, it's like you can't just set a position and then walk away. Like, you have to watch it. So many things can happen. And, you know, as a result, obviously, in this one, you know, if the Nexus was just following me, we would have missed it. We would have missed it. But I just went back in. I went back in. And then here I gave the reconfirmation long on Bitcoin. This is where I longed Bitcoin, right? At this level here. So that was the trade. Honestly, like, it wasn't very difficult. It's just unfortunate that this one in particular was the one that that stopped us out. And it happens. It happens, right? I lose. 100% I lose. There's no way. Man, nobody wins only, okay? Nobody only wins. Like, I lose. People take losses. If they don't take losses, they're lying to you. If they can't trade in front of you like this, wins and losses, they're lying to you, right? So the Nexus knows what I'm doing every step of the way. They know that I've been longing Solana. They know that I'm bullish on Solana. They know that I'm targeting 150 on Solana and then potentially even like 185, 190 on Solana. Is it going to make it up that far? I have absolutely no idea. But, you know, that's kind of, that was the trade setup. That was the trade setup. Which one do I prefer longing? Lately, I've just been longing the one that's easier. So I don't really care. I don't really have a preference. I usually will target the one that didn't take its liquidity in whichever direction that we're longing towards or shorting. Man, you almost went in there too, but you had an earlier long and the stop loss was near there. Yeah, I got stopped out of my Solana long, my original one. This original one. So I longed here and then I took profit here. And then I longed again here. And then I didn't take profit and then I got stopped out. My stop was right there. I got stopped out and I went right back in. I got stopped out in profit. Okay. Originally the trade was like up like 7K. I walked away with like 4.5, 4 maybe. And then I took a loss here and then I went back in again. Like, I don't care. I will get stopped out if I know. Like, sometimes it takes a couple tries. You know, like this trade that I gave to the Nexus, I gave them exactly this trade right now, currently. Not even how high it went to. Right now, it's a 38 risk to reward, okay? Which, like, if you take a couple 1% losses and then hit a 38, like, okay, that's fine. I'll take that. I'll take that trade any day of the week. Right? So, yeah. Anyways, does anyone have any questions about that? Or are we good? Do we have any cues? How many likes do I have? How do I see how many? Where are my likes? I can't see my likes. Why? $99 likes. Or sorry, 99 people in here and only 45 likes. So either half of you don't like my singing, or don't like my TA, or don't like my analysis, or don't like my face, or don't like my jersey. And I hope that it's not the jersey, because this jersey is fire. All right. Could you guys not hear the music that whole time? Why can't I see how many likes we have? Oh, there we go. Okay. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And tonight, mic check. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. How's our position doing? Are we getting smoked again? Oh my days. Oh my days. tonight. I wanna see it in your eyes. Your eyes, girl, I was made for you. And girl, I was made for me. And I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. All right, let's do something easier. Cause it's like late and I need to save my voice for New Year's, man. All right. Do I know too much time on my hands? I do not. There could be a long here. I'm already in, so I'm not gonna take it, but hey, pretty baby with the high heels on, yeah. All right, let me check USDT. Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. You give me fever like I never. Feel your fever from 9 to 5. Paint the town. Tell me twice that you're the one for the way you make me feel. You really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Guys, I gotta tell you a little secret. I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret right now. Oh wow, we have a lot of no's actually. That's funny. Alright, we won't do the singing stream every time. Listen, I have a little secret for you guys. Tomorrow is your boy's birthday. Tomorrow's your boy's birthday. The way you make me feel, you really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Yes, I get copyrighted every single stream. But you know what I say to YouTube? Fuck YouTube. Fuck getting copyrighted. Alright. Ain't nobody getting it but my business. This is so boring, bro. The way you make me feel, you really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in ecstasy. You're burning in it. 9 to 5. Like, we shouldn't need to come back down to these lows. Feel you around, yeah, yeah. I'm in ecstasy. Oh, we could be cooked here. Oh. I'm ecstasy. Ain't nobody been but my business. Ain't nobody but my business. Ain't nobody, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, but ain't nobody, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, baby, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, baby, ain't nobody, ain't nobody, baby, ain't nobody. baby. Ain't nobody, baby. Ain't nobody, baby. Ain't nobody, baby. Baby. Baby, I can't wait to go. All right, we're done with that. We're done. Ain't nobody but my business. All right, we're done. Anyways, yes, I get copyrighted literally every single stream. It's so annoying. After the stream, I have to go back and like get them to I have to go back and get them to I have to go back and get them to delete the songs in the stream so that I can stay monetized. Although, to be honest, YouTube doesn't pay me shit. Like, if I didn't monetize my own shit, YouTube doesn't do a damn thing. YouTube sucks. If you're a good business person, listen, pro tip for anybody that's trying to start YouTube. If you're trying to start YouTube, be a good business person, okay? Don't rely on YouTube because they're unreliable. I don't like this mix here. Ain't nobody, baby. Ain't nobody but my baby. Yeah, we don't like this. Let's change this. Let's do that. Okay. What are you guys saying? Sticking it to the man. Yeah, bro. Listen, I do not conform to societal norms. I'll say whatever the fuck I want. Nobody can tell me what to do or what to say. I should promote my ex more. Dude, I know. Well, I have a whole network now anyway. Like my Discord, I've already... By the way, guys, if you don't know, I have a free Discord. The link is in the description down below. Come join us in the Discord. They won't do shit on there. At least hopefully not. The other day, I was on vacation. That's why I'm so sexy caramel tanned. I was on vacation and I took shots with everybody that came in the public lounge. I got alcohol poisoning because of you guys. So if you want to be part of that, you know what I mean? Okay, let's see if we could take a trade. Like, this could be a long, man. If I'm being honest with you, do I like it? No. But this could be a long. But I don't like it. Let's check ETH. What is ETH doing? Ain't nobody been but my baby. All right, ETH did not do any of what I wanted. None of it at all. Yeah, I'm not touching ETH. Fuck that. What was the best one? What was like the cleanest one? Look, it looks like they're trying to accumulate here. The question is, does it make sense for them to accumulate here? And the answer is, I do not know. Yeah, it does. It does make sense to accumulate from here. This does make sense. Let me see. Even Doge is trying to hold here. Even Doge is trying. I'm bullish, guys. Honestly, I'm bullish. Like I've been saying for so long, I think Bitcoin's going to 96K. What are my trades right now? My like best idea one is definitely Solana. Like I'm mostly interested in Solana. I've been trading Solana pretty much exclusively this past like couple days. Pretty much exclusively been trading Solana, and I've been doing pretty well trading Solana. So Sol and Litecoin gonna reach from this silver pump. He bought Moon it. Yeah, I guess silver is doing really well, isn't it? What's the ticker for silver? Where's my futures list? I had a futures list. Right here. Which one is silver? CL is what? Oil, right? Futures. This one? Silver futures. SI1. I guess. Yeah, I mean, shit, bro. Oh, man. Don't short this. Don't short that. Yeah, that's pretty bullish, isn't it? What's gold doing? Gold is still going too. Interesting. I haven't checked any of this shit in forever. Wow, look at crude oil. What's PL? Platinum? I don't even know what Dow Jones means. Gold spot. I don't need that shit. What was I gonna check? Let's check ESNQ. Oh wow, look at that. Liquidity grab and then up to the high. What an easy trade. I haven't traded futures in forever, but I do want to. I definitely want to. Definitely want to. NQ and ES. Interesting. We have an SMT right now. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't been on the future side in quite a while. But if you see, that's why I said I don't like it. But if you can't be, I'm mostly interested in Solana. What's my target on Sol? I'm targeting $150. Well, here's the long story short of Solana. Like Sol hit a daily order block and it has a very easy liquidity curve that it could come for. So I think that we could easily see 147, but then we have an order block here at 150. So pretty much 150. Although I do think that it could come up to like 179, 180. So Sol is the one that's like the most clear to me right now. Definitely Solana. I like Sol. Trading Sol is nice. Sol moves a lot better than Ethereum, for example. If you're going to trade an altcoin, if you're going to main an altcoin, I would recommend maining Solana. Sol moves very nicely. Youngblood thinks there's always tomorrow. Question about this type of trade management I described. Do I count those losses in record win rate? Stopped out several times before catching the mad run. Count those losses? Well, I don't really care about win rate, so it's not about win rate for me. It's about like, are you profitable or not? If I get look, I have rules in place so I don't blow up my account. Like I don't get stopped out 50 times. Like if I see a valid setup, then I will enter. Right? If I see a valid setup, then I will enter. And I have rules, but do I count those as losses? I mean, technically speaking, it would be like if it's a 50% win. Okay, like my Solana long that I took earlier today, right? This long down here, I lost one and I lost one and I won one. So yeah, I have a 50% win rate, but I made like 10K on the long and I lost 200 on the loss. So do I care? No. Like, I don't even care about win rate. I don't care about win rate at all. It doesn't matter to me. Because win rate doesn't, like, you can't cash in a win rate. Win rate does not pay the bills. Who gives a fuck about win rate? I could do this right now and have a 100% win rate. I could do a trade like this where I have a 100% win rate. and make no money. Like, who cares? You know what I mean? So that's my answer. You know, everybody else, like, to each their own, but that's my interpretation. I don't care about win rates personally. I don't care. But do I often get that? I mean, it depends on the setup, right? That was a valid trade. This trade that I gave the Nexus that I got stopped out on, this was a valid trade. You know, 100%. I have zero regrets. I'll take this 10 out of 10 times. Even if, like, even in hindsight, I would still take it. Even in hindsight, this is a good trade. And remember this, not every good trade, not every winner is a good trade, and not every loser is a bad trade. This is a loser, and this is a good trade. I take this 10 out of 10 times. 10 out of 10 times I take this trade. Soul might actually push up from here. I would not at all be surprised, not in the slightest, if we hold this block. We have no distribution on the high. This would be a valid trade if you had better structure to work with. Which you do not at the moment, but this would be the trade that I would entertain if I was going to enter here. I would try something like that. 6 risk to reward, not bad. Not bad. We'll see if this order block holds. Let's see if we can use our indicators to help us with our entry. One of my most frequent questions lately is, Gio, do you not use Market Cipher anymore? Like, I have a whole template like this. I use it for help with my entries only, though. I don't use it for directional bias. I know that I'm looking along here, right? Like, if I decide to long, I mean. I'm not saying long. I'm saying, you know, like, I have this template up and ready to rock kind of thing. Okay, what are you guys saying here? All right, what do we have? 75 people, 65 likes. I had more viewers when I was singing. That's all I gotta say. If you ever leave me, baby, yeah. Man, I am so surprised at how long this whole thing took. Like, we have had zero movement this whole month. It's typical for, like, December to be slow, but I didn't think shit was gonna take this long. This was mad long. Is that template the 4-hour, 15-minute, and 3-minute? For what, the market cipher? Hell no. I have 5-second... 15-second, 2-minute, and 5-minute. Bro, I don't trust the high time frames at all. Everybody says you have to use the high time frames. Fuck that. I can't trust the high time frames for shit. I use it for help with my entries and only help with my entries. And when I enter, I'm entering now. So I need to know what's happening now. The high time frame shit, fuck that. Everybody that does that is wrong. Sorry. No way. I don't care what anything above the 10-minute looks like. I don't care. Even the 10-minute, I don't really care. Anything above the 10-minute, in my opinion, is using it for directional bias. And if you're going to use it for directional bias, then you might as well use structure. Like, why would you not use structure? Why do I need Market Cipher to tell me that I'm bullish right now? I can see it with my eyeballs over here. I don't need Market Cipher to tell me that. Like, how did I draw this out before I even looked at Market Cipher? Like, this is where I would use it, though. I would pull up my entries. I would be like, okay, the 2-minute looks okay. 30-second looks okay. I already know exactly my trade idea, though, right? Like, this is my trade idea. I didn't use Market Cipher to give me the trade. I am using Market Cipher to help me with my trade. That's why I say, you know, I don't, indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell indicators what to do. You know? Like that was a good trade. That's a good trade. If you took that, there you go. You're welcome. That's already a three risk reward right there. GG. You're an updraw. Moon it. You get a trade like that, take profit, and you're good. I did add to my Solana trade, by the way. I did add to it. Of course I added to it. It was a very good trade. It was a very easy trade. And there you go. That's TP. You're welcome. Everything else beyond this is a gift. Now we take 500 out. I just took out what I put back in, and now I'm in my same position. There you go. GG. That's how it's done. Right there. 6 risk reward. Right on stream. Right for you. Right in front of your face. If they cannot... Listen. If they cannot trade in front of you... In front of you. Okay? In the Nexus, I'm not always trading in front of the Nexus, but I have a real-time channel, and I'm telling them everything I do every step of the way. So it's live. It's just live through a chat room. Okay? If they cannot trade in front of you, don't listen to it. Damn, that's what's up, baby. That's how we rock. I just want to rock. I just want to rock. All right, I am going to take more. Do I want to take out more profit? You know what? Let's wait. Let's see what happens. We're going to wait now. We took our profit already. Let's see if this thing can run. You see what I mean, though? How you can get in from anywhere. You don't need... there's no such thing as missing a trade. There's no such thing as missing a trade. Impossible. There is not possessing the information required to miss the trade. But lucky for you, enter the nexus.com. Link is in the description down below. Alter looking strong. Yeah, I mean, we are in we're in my on Bitcoin dominance. You know, I've been letting the Nexus know this plan here. Like it's taking, like I said, it's taking a hell of a longer than I thought, but we are in a dump zone. Like I do think we are going to see an alt push here, which is obviously why I'm bullish on things like Solana and whatever. I'm very bullish right now. I am not bearish. I've been, in fact, me, the perma bear, has been longing only, pretty much exclusively. I've been longing for like ever now. Like I haven't shorted in like, I don't even know, almost 2 months. It sucks. I can't press the damn button. I just can't press it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, I should have took profit there. Wait, how much is this? Oh my god, bro. Bitcoin doesn't move at all. Bitcoin is so shit. Bitcoin actually blows. If you ever leave me, baby. When things are bullish, everything develops into place. When it's fighting, the stop loss is there. Yeah, man, that's how it goes. How do I decide my bias? I am primarily targeting liquidity. Did I take the short last Monday? Brother, I was not in Canada last Monday, so no, I did not. I did not take any short. This is definitely a TP zone though on for Bitcoin. And probably some of the alts too. You probably should TP here. If you took this trade with me, you are out of the trade. Like everything else is a gift now. If you took this trade and I just gave you a 6 risk reward and you're not taking profit because you're a greedy motherfucker, I can't help you. Take your profit. Take your profit. All right, 75 people in here, only 68 likes. Why do we only have 75 people in here? Baby, more than a woman, more than a woman to me, more than a woman. Yeah, I know. More than a woman. What time is it? 8:45. I know you love me. I know you care. Shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love. Will never, ever, ever be. Litecoin is going to 81.5. I don't even know what. If you put a gun to my head right now, I have no idea what Litecoin is. I'm not even joking. Let me try to guess. I swear to God, I haven't looked at Litecoin in like maybe 6 months. If I was gonna guess, okay, if you're saying it's going to 81.5, that means it's obviously lower than that. My guess is 62. I swear to God, I don't know. All my life, I have no idea. Let's see how close I am. Litecoin 79. Wow. See what I mean? I told you. I don't know. I don't trade this shit. Damn, bro. Look at that candle. That is... that is, thank God I'm in 90% cash candle. Is what that is. Come on, Solana. Show me what you got, little mama. Come on, Solana. Show me what you got, little mama. Come on, Solana. Show me what you got, little mama. All right. I'll be right back. Gio, what exactly was I doing during the 10 out of 10 flash crash? I was on stream with the Nexus. Like, what the fuck is what I was doing? I was not short for that. I was trying to long that morning like an idiot. Like, actually an idiot. I was trying to long. Damn, bro. Dua Lipa's. Wait, what is Bitcoin doing? I just got an alert. Are we winning? Or are we losing? Okay, okay, okay. All right. Send that shit. You bought alts on spot 1 hour before the huge crash? Bro, that sucks, man. I'm sorry to hear. That's so sad. I'm 90% cash. There's no way I'm buying anything. I don't buy in the bull run. I buy in the bear market. You sell. Bull run is for selling. You sell for 3 years, you buy for 1. You don't buy for 3 and sell for 1. Sell on the way, or buy on the way down, not on the way up. But I mean, in your defense, this time alts kind of like suck monkeys, so all right, listen, I'm gonna go. I did all I needed to do here today. We went live for an hour and a half. We sang, we made some money. Okay, we made some grub. And that's it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope we're all happy, healthy, wealthy, by the way. Tomorrow's my birthday. Maybe I'll give you all loot bags for my birthday. But for now, my friends, this is where I must love you and leave you. How about Rim C? Yeah, what about Rim C? Hold on, I'm going to answer this question first, and then I'm going to go. But what about Rim C, brother? What would you like to know? Thank you, guys. Appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. I very much do. You know what I mean? Should I just close all the trades and go to bed and just start over tomorrow? Should we just close all? No, we're not going to close all. Are you crazy? Do we have an SMT here, though? I care more about my Solana long than I do... Oh, we do have an SMT. I care more about my Solana long than I do about the Bitcoin long, if I'm being completely honest with you. I don't really care about the Bitcoin one. The way you make me feel. Yeah, we just rim seed this, my friend. We just rim seed this guy right here. We just took this position. Nice breaker block. Nice 6 risk to reward right on stream for you. You are nailing it. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. No, it's SMT. SMT as in titties. SMT. I don't know what it stands for. I don't like the name SMT. And Phoenix doesn't like it either. We might change it to something else. But it's basically the divergence between correlating assets. So I'll show you here real quick. I'm going to go on the 30-second just so you can see it. Like, you see how Ethereum is making a higher high here? And Bitcoin is making a lower high here? That's an SMT. And those are the only real divergences, by the way. Every other divergence is Mickey Mouse. If you pull up any indicator, RSI, market cipher, whatever, and you see divergence, it's Mickey Mouse. Oh, yeah, smart money technique. Am I going to TP? I don't know, man. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I don't really know. I'm not round tripping, I'll tell you that. I'll probably manage my trade. Like I'll follow it. You know, I'm gonna get off stream, but I'm not gonna get off the computer. I'm just gonna work on other things. Yeah. Like I'm not gonna lose the trade. I'll follow it up, you know. The Solana trade, I'm trying to hold it as a swing trade. I think the Bitcoin trade could be a swing trade as well. I do think we could see like 96K, and I think we could see 96K, you know, within the next day. Like I'm bullish right now. I am absolutely bullish right now. I've been bullish this whole time. I've been bullish. I made a YouTube video about it like 2 days ago. Why cross instead of isolated? I'll tell you why. Because if I want to trade, let's just say Zcash, right? What I'll do is I'll open up like a small Zcash position, right? A very small position I'll open. So just so I have it down here, right? But when I do that, I'm usually on high leverage. I don't need to use low leverage because I don't keep the money on the exchange. So when I do that, if I'm on isolated, I'll get liquidated. I'll get liquidated for like 70 cents. I don't care, but it's not the point for the 70 cents. The point is, I want it down here so I can, like, for the sake of convenience, you know, I can flip around when I'm ready to enter or whatever. But if it's on isolated, then this position will get liquidated. Again, I'll get liquidated for 50 cents. Like, I don't care, but it removes it from the bottom. So for me, I only do it as a convenience thing. And I don't recommend anybody does this, by the way. I just do it for my own very niche specific reason. Yeah, shout out to Alex O Crypto. No, you're not allowed to give me Christmas or New Year's money. And I'll tell you why. Or yeah, no, I'll tell you why. Because it is also Christmas and New Year's for you too. You're allowed to give me a Christmas and a New Year's hug. I'll take that. I will definitely accept the hug. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. No, not a birthday either, because Alex also has a birthday. No way. What are you coming for, and how long are you coming for? Yeah, hold on. Let me which one was the Leaf stream? Oh. Okay, this was one of the Leafs. We went to 2 Leafs games. Where's the video though? I feel like we did the second one like pretty like pretty like close together. Did we not? It was in 2024, 2025, right? We met this year, not last year. We definitely met this year. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a good year for sure. For sure. Wait, Alex, what are you here for though? Like, what are you coming home? Well, not home, but now here. What are you here for, and how long are you here for? Let's go to a Leafs game, bro. Let's do something. I'm gonna try to find this video in the meantime. Hold on, and then I'll go. When was the first Leafs game that we went to? April? April wasn't the first. Was that the first one or the second one? I need to put you in the title of that video because I don't know which one it is. Let me see. I'm gonna find it. Hold on. We're gonna find it. I think. All right, boys. Welcome back to the channel. My name. All right, boys. Yesterday we had a view. Let's start this over because now. Man, my black charts were so ugly, dude. Oh, visiting Grams. Okay. Well, if you're around, I don't want to take you from no, but if you're around, I'm super down. Bro, where's this video, man? Ladies and gentlemen. I don't remember the. Yeah, I have no idea, bro. I have absolutely no idea. Check my positions. Let me see. So what's the? They were both this year. I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure it was like close together. Like we went maybe back to back on months. However, you know what? It was a video that's not monetized because I had the song in it. So that's how I'll find out. Let me check my monetization. Ineligible copyright. Ineligible copyright. Ineligible. Gay. Not this one. This one? Not this one. Bro, I'm really trying to find it. No, I'm gonna find it. I'll send it to you. If you gotta run, I'm gonna find it. I'm finding it. There's no way that I'm not finding this bitch. I'm gonna find it. Partially blocked? There's no way it was in that video. I for sure am sharing monetization. Playoffs? It was not playoffs. Definitely not playoffs. Oh. Oh, it might be this one. Hold on. Is it this one? No. Fuck me. Well, how are we doing on the trail? Oh my days. That's what's up, baby. Let's fucking go. I didn't know that that happened. Okay, we like that. Okay, let me find this video, bro. Oh my days. Oh man, my videos are like how I made over 1,000. Your boy's been leveling up, man. What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing well. Wow, these videos are so old. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, I found it. Okay. All right. Okay. I found it. Okay. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. I don't know if you're still here, Alex. I'm muting myself. Very like little margin for error. Okay. I know how to identify these, and I show you guys. I teach you guys how to do that down below. Alex. The link for that is in the description down below. Let's go meet Alex O Crypto. Alex O Crypto! What's up, buddy? Oh my days. Look how cold ass Canada is. This guy's got his fucking jersey. Let's go, baby. What's up, man? Honor gang. Honor gang. We're losing right now, but don't worry. We're gonna make a comeback, baby. Boom. Alex O Crypto. Alex O. We didn't score. We almost scored. Oh, the good old hockey game is the best game you can play. It's the best game you can play. It's the good old hockey game. Toronto! It's the C, baby. It's the fucking C, baby. It's the fucking C, baby. If you guys need non-financial advice on how to get on the Jumbotron, we just got. Man, you're welcome, Toronto. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Don't forget to use the stop loss.
Sign up to our affiliate links. Are you fucking stupid? Let's go! Dude, are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Fuck you, Jersey! Fuck you! Where's the cuck? Fuck that guy! That guy's a fucking cuck! Where are you at? You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, right round to you. Okay, wait, hold on, Ava. 81 is like so downstairs. Are you telling me that you're shorting right now? Or did you mean 91? Here, Alex. Yeah, man, let's run it. If you're around and you have time and I have time, like, let's run it back. Let's do something. I'm super down. Apparently, like, Raptors are actually good. Can't believe I cuss like that at a hockey game. Bro, everybody is cussing like that at a hockey game, dude. Everybody. You spin me. All right, listen, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, people of the jury. One love. Man, this position that I was just demonstrating, I should have went all in on it. Yo, Ava, I have fat fingers. I literally do. I got them from my mother. She has fat fingers. All right. YouTube and Nexus, if you're in here. Holy smokes. I hope we're all happy, healthy, wealthy. The next time I see you, I'm going to add a digit to my age. So with that being said, my friends, one love. Wait, I forgot to hit you with the outro. One love.
Set my heart on fire.